All right, guys, we finally made it. Took us about an hour and some change, but look at this. Holy crap. Wow, look at the digs on this. We even got a statue over here? What? What is going on over there? Oh, we're gonna check out the outside. Our boy is setting the van up, making sure everything is ready to go, making sure we didn't forget nothing. Oh man, thank you so much. Pleasure to meet you, okay?
Welcome to Japan.
Yeah, let's go. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you, thank you. Wow, okay, so baby, let's check it out. Let's see what we got in there. Oh, okay, I got this one. All right. Oh my God, guys, check that out. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh my Lord, look at the lighting in there, guys. This is insane. Wow.
So excited.
Oh, this is gonna be cool. So go ahead. You walk forward. Yep. Go. Oh my God, guys, this is insane. Check this out. Look at the way we have the setup on there. That is beautiful. Wow. It's incredible. Yeah. Wow, guys, look at the computer that he's working on. That's insane. Oh, you need mine as well? Okay, guys, I will be right back.
Whoa, look at our view from our hotel room. Wow, that's so cool. Check out our bike and the view from the rooftop of this mall that we're at. You can see everything. Made it to the Hello Kitty store. I'm so excited to go inside. I love Hello Kitty stuff. That was it? Really good.
Wow.
Yeah, looks good.
Oh my God.
Smells good.
I wish you guys could taste this. Oh my God. A little bit of chili might help, but honestly, this is really, really good.
We got lots of food here. Steak and rice and eggs, soup, and more food over there. We needed an extra table.
Yeah, it's like meat and rice. Wow.
Look at what I have.
Oh my God.
Crepes, wrapped in cones. And this one's cream and strawberry. And this one is banana, whipped cream, or actually might be ice cream.
She definitely got that one for me, you
And
guys.
Nutella.
I cannot wait to try that.
We're
That
gonna try
looks
both.
so good. Here, let me get a bite of this one. Let's see, let's see. Mmm. Oh my God.
They're so good.
I'm getting pimples and it's gonna be worth it.
It's gonna be worth it.
Oh my, try this one, let me see.
Oh, yours is ice cream, mine's just whipped cream.
Mmm.
But there's
Oh,
Nutella
yeah.
in there somewhere.
I think you definitely gave me the right one though, for sure. Mmm. So good.
Oh, so good. Very good.
Oh, thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Check it out, guys. So I'm at this place. They got baseball, roller skating. They have tennis rackets, everything here for 90 minutes. You pay for the time that you're in here and you can do whatever it is that you want. They even have like a 3-hour mode. super cool. I'm about to go roller skating. That's probably gonna be me in a minute.
First time rollerblading. Look at him, he's doing so good.
Lord help me.
Baby, how do you feel?
Nah, my shit.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
I can't do two things at once, so it's probably not gonna be.
Focus, just focus. It's so easy for me. Ice skating is a lot harder. That was so much fun.
Right?
I could do that all day. But
Yeah.
my feet do get tired.
All right, my love. You ready? Let's go play some bowling.
Here we are at the bowling place. We're gonna sign up for bowling and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go! So I bowled a strike 3 times in a row, but unfortunately we didn't get to film that on camera. We didn't catch that on camera, but it was so cool. I was actually surprised I was able to bowl any strikes, but we had a lot of fun and he did a good job and I did a good job. I love these cameras that they have set up. These camera angles are really cool to see how you've bowled. He also had to stop by this batting cage because he really wanted to do this, and he was actually really good at it.
many people. Way more people than before. Oh, this is it. Yep, this is it. Just like I remember. Oh, hi go-kart people. Oh, that's a lot of them. Interesting. Come on, people cross. Oh, there we go.